Is this you listening to normal practice materials? So easy. I don't understand. And this is you trying to watch TV shows. So, why can't we understand English TV dramas without subtitles? Let me break this down for you in this video. So first, you need to understand that we tend to be way less confident in our ears than our eyes. Think about it. Even when you are watching something in your native language, you still have a tendency to search for subtitles. Understand something through your eyes is just so much easier than understand something through your ears. That's why the first thing you need to do is activate your ears and train them to work harder. So, here's what you need to do. Start using more authentic and realistic materials instead of those textbook-style listening exercises. Those materials are way too structured, and the speakers are very familiar with their scripts, so it's more like reading content loud rather than natural, spontaneous speech. What you actually need is authentic, less structured material. You can find these in interviews and casual conversations that are easy to understand. I'm going to recommend some specific channels here, and you can screenshot this to save them for later. So, now you need to try using these materials with what I called the retelling method. Over 1 million people have seen my retelling method before, and I'm going to explain it again in this video using more authentic materials. When you are listening to conversations, don't just listen vaguely. You need to listen precisely by repeating after what you hear.
Our first topic is family. And my question is, who do you think that you're the most like?
Who am I the most like? In appearance?
Yes.
Both appearance and character?
Yeah, both.
Okay, so appearance, I look mostly like my mom, I think.
Listen to one sentence, then repeat it back. This is crucial because authentic materials are usually spoken very quickly, right? And sometimes the audio isn't crystal clear, so you won't make mistakes. For example, in this clip, the man isn't talking about parent, something about parent. He's saying appearance. You can figure this out from the context, right? The scenario, or what we call the language environment. This way, you are training your brain to guess and tell apart different similar sounding words.
Who am I the most like? In appearance?
Yes.
Both appearance and character?
After doing your blind listening, you need to check the subtitles. In this process, subtitles are crucial to see if you understood correctly. At this point, you can check which parts you got wrong and which parts, if they contain expressions you want to learn, are worth paying special attention to. This is also a very important moment to figure out why you couldn't understand certain parts. So after practicing this for several months, you can change your materials into real TV dramas or films. You can choose those that you are really familiar with. For example, the plots or the characters that you know much of it. For example, once a time I printed the whole script of La La Land and read after the movie, sentence by sentence. I find it really helpful because you can figure out why you can't understand it while listening for the first time. It's normal for you to find it's a little bit hard to follow at the very beginning. You need to repeat it over and over again. Stick to one drama or one movie. Don't move on if you cannot understand them without the script. So that's a kind of active practice. Afterward, you will find that you are more familiar with the speaking pattern in movies. And lastly, I want to say that understanding TV series is really one of the hardest parts of language learning. I'm also working on it myself, and I think it's endless learning. Because when you can understand authentic TV dramas, it means you can understand real conversation in real language environment spoken by real native speakers. What I mean is you are not just learning a language, you are using it directly. And I think it's a very high demand. So just take it easy and don't rush. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.